Welcome to Sheet Leveler. I'm Joanne, and I'm excited to introduce you to Sheet Leveler. Our video tutorials are designed to give you a quick and easy way to learn how to use Excel. Today, we'll be exploring a practical solution on how to insert bullet points in your Excel spreadsheets, so let's get started. Today, we will explore the simplest and most useful method for inserting bullet points into an Excel document. To display the list of tasks from the table, let's insert bullet points in column D to help make the information easier to read. First, we need to choose the cells where the list with bullet points will be shown. To format the cells, we can right-click and select the Format Cells option. In the Number tab, let's select the Custom category. It is important to follow the steps next in order to make sure our bullet points show up properly in the task list. To add bullet points in a cell, start by entering the symbol of your desired bullet point, followed by a space and the @ sign, @. When you are finished, press OK and we can test it out together. When you type Task 1, 2, 3 in Excel, it will add the bullet point you specified in the Type field before each entry. It's very easy to change the type of bullet point. Let's take a look and try it out. We need to go back to where we began. So let's select the cells that require modifications. Again, let's right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the menu. Now, in the Number tab, let's select the Custom category. We need to enter the symbol we would like to use instead of the existing one. In this case, we would like to use an empty bullet point instead of the circle bullet point, so we'll enter it here. You have the freedom to use any type of bullet point or symbol that you prefer. If desired, you can find the exact combination of bullet points used in this video in the description below, so you can copy and paste as needed. Once we have chosen the desired symbols, we can press OK, and Excel will insert them as bullet points in the selected cells. If you alter the data in the table, the chosen bullet points will still be visible in the cells that have been formatted in this way. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.